Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created by using these steps. Now we'll learn how to model this component using NX. For that, first go to the file, new, model. Specify here our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location where you want to save the file, then say OK. Now in this model I am going to start with the cylinder. For that, go to sketch, top plane, say OK, take a circle, press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is, here they have mentioned as radius 30, the diameter will be 60, say yes, press the roller to confirm, then go for finish sketch, extrude, here we make it symmetric value, total extrusion length is 60. Say OK. Now we have created the cylinder. Then we will go for this feature. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Now start with the circle. The outer circle radius is 23, then the diameter will be 46. Say yes. The center distance they have mentioned as 75. From this point to here, which is 75, press the roller to confirm, then simply close the sketch. From here to here, then again from here to here, press the roller, select this line, make it horizontal, select this line also, make it horizontal, then take a line, close the line, then go for the trim, remove the unwanted edges, then close it, then go for the free sketch, extrude, change the direction, here we make it unite, and the thickness of the extrusion is 15 mm, 15, say OK. Now we have created this feature, then we'll go for creating this feature. For that, go to the sketch, take the front plane, say OK, then take a line which should start from somewhere here, here, here. Just delete this one, take a multiple line, here, 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 and here. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see from the top this should be matched with this one. What we can do is from the top, I will make one line, orient to the sketch. This is the line, specify this value, just delete this one, take a line again, there is a center point, just create it, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm, then just specify the value, just fix the curve, make this as a construction line. Now this line and this line should coincident. this from here to this distance is 45, and this thickness is 15, and this thickness, this distance is 15, and the total length is from here to here, which is 60. Now see, the sketch is finished, fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch, extrude. Here you make it symmetric value. The total extrusion is 60. Save OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we'll create this feature, this rib. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Take a line, just create midline somewhere here. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for the finish sketch. Go for rib. Here you use perpendicular section. Thickness you specify 10. Save OK. Then we need to create a rib here. For that, go to the sketch. Same front plane. Say OK. Take a line. From here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Here the distance is 25. And this distance is 45. Then we cannot make a rib here. Anyway, we will try. Go for the rib. By selecting this, use the parallel section. You will get the error called the target cannot properly cap the open profile smart volume. To generate the rib, just go for the edit sketch. Just create a small line. Then go for the finish. Then go for the rib. Select this one. Use this one. Thickness is 10 mm. Just save OK. This is the only possible way we can create a rib in NX. In Creo we can easily make, but here we just want to make like this. Now all the material addition features we have done. Then go for the material removal feature. First one is we'll create 2 holes. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, save OK. Take a circle, just create one circle, create one more circle, and take a line. Here just create a center line. This one you make it some value. Make this as a construction line. From here to here the center distance is, from here to here the center distance is 35. And make this as a symmetric one. To this say as, and specify the diameter as 16. And from the top the center distance is 15 mm. Now just go for the finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. Here make it subtract. Here we make it until next. Save OK. Now we have created these 2 holes. Then we'll create one more hole. Just go for the standard hole. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Now the diameter of the hole is 40. Just apply it. Similarly, the diameter of the hole here is 20 mm. Just move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Here we make it until next. Save OK. Now just right click here, orient view, isometric view. In that we have completed this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.